Interested in how to get over or get through a stimulant detox or recover from stimulants and all the crazy inability to sleep, inability to be awake, agitation, and all the challenges that have to do with actually recovering from abusing stimulants. My name's Anthony. I'm a recovery coach, natural recovery coach. I'm going to talk to you about the magic of what are called reishi mushrooms, and it's a natural growing mushroom in damp places such as southern BC in the mountains. Generally, only grow in healthy areas, but there's a caution to that. The tea, when I cook it, has this beautiful gold color and it's very calming. I love reishi tea, part of my natural recovery remedies. My name's Anthony. I'm a recovery coach. When you're looking at doing different methods or techniques of recovering specifically from stimulants, you really need more than what you're currently using and less than what is currently killing you or toxifying you. If you haven't already discovered this, stimulants such as Ritalin, Adderall, Coke, meth, and the myriad of different types of pills and powders and stuff people take to jack them up, including white death, also known as sugar, and in some cases, caffeine, especially if it's produced either synthetically or sort of factory produced caffeine, and or derived from whatever natural products. It can have a very deleterious or damaging effect to the body. In other words, it's no longer food when it is converted or produced in a laboratory or pulled out of a natural product and isolated from all the other things involved in it. For myself, one great substitute for things like caffeine or caffeinated garbage, such as energy drinks, Monster, etc., is matcha tea, or simply known as green tea, but it's a special type of green tea, and or green tea. It has some natural, what I'll call caffeine. It's a type of caffeine anyhow, within it, but it is combined and has all the natural ingredients or minerals and often called cofactors. It's a fancy way of saying the food and or natural health-giving qualities, food, that are part of a natural diet. And green tea, matcha, has those qualities or those characteristics within it. It's not the caffeine or the stimulant isn't pulled apart and put in a artificial energy drink such as Monster or Red Bull, etc. You get the benefit of the product without all the added garbage. Now, when you're wanting to also calm down or take the edge off of possibly all the stuff that you've been taking that jacks you up, again, I'm going to recommend reishi. This is reishi that's it's still raw. It has a beautiful smell, by the way, that I harvest, meaning go out into the woods and find on dead trees. These do not grow on living trees or as they essentially attach to a dead tree and pull out all the best of the nutrients from the tree and convert that tree ultimately back into soil again. It's a really beautiful way that nature recycles itself. And in my understanding or belief anyway, these spores are coming, the spores that transplant and feed in and seed other areas, other seeds, also, in my belief, grow through the ground. And so you can see a lot of these mushrooms sprout up right on fallen trees. I never get the fallen trees. I prefer the trees that are still fully in the ground and actually pulling any of the nutrients out of the soil. It's a little bit about reishi and a little bit about recovering from stimulant abuse or stimulant use in a natural way. My name's Anthony. I'm a natural recovery coach. You can find me at yourrehab.coach and subscribe there for more videos, or I still have some availabilities. You can contact me through yourrehab.coach for recovery advices.